morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Friday, September 9th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Sunday, September 11th is known as Patriot Day. In our national history, we remember people lost and recognize the brave people known as the first responders who showed great courage as our country was attacked on September 11th, 2001.
The United States is proudly known as the land of the free and the home of the brave. As we observe a minute of silence, let us remember the first responders who were brave 21 years ago and focus on how we can be brave and have courage as we make choices today.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
As your kindness ambassador, I have an important announcement. We want you all to celebrate with the next week for LISD's 5th annual Kindness Week. Students all across the district will be celebrating kindness all together. You've probably seen the posters around, but here's a reminder of what each day's theme is. Monday, kindness is for everyone. Wear a kindness shirt or any shade of blue. Tuesday, kindness is timeless. Dress like they did in another decade. Wednesday is Color Rush. Wear your favorite color head to toe. Thursday is Kindness Impresses Creativity. Wear polka dots. And Friday is Team Kindness. Wear your favorite team clothes or spirit gear. We can't wait.
Now for our featured teacher, Miss Cortez.
Welcome. Thank you for coming. May we ask you a few questions?
Of course.
If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go?
I would go to the beach right now. I think we all need a vacation.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you could be anyone for a day, who would you be and why?
I would be, and I think we all know him, I would be our friend Jack Hartman, because he has like the best job in the world. All he does is sing cool songs to you guys.
What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject was math. Sorry, I know
Same.
a lot of people
like
don't
math.
like it. I love math.
I like math.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why?
That's a hard question. I think I would pick teleportation so I can avoid morning traffic and afternoon traffic, and that way I don't have to wake up early for school and I can just wake up at a decent
Onion meat sauce, chicken Caesar wrap, and cheese pizza sticks.
Okay. So cute, I can't. You've seen kids get their heads stuck in places they should never be. Well, it's not just human children. It's who misjudge and opening become wedged in their ears. as shown by baby raccoon found dangling from underside of a storm grate. Her pathetic pleas caught the attention of a passerby who called the fire department.
Today in history, in 1791, Washington, D.C. is named after the first President of the United States, George Washington.
I wonder when that happened. Weird but true. Penguins the size of a 12-year-old kid wandered around 61 million years ago. That's crazy.
Wow.
But you didn't know, a hippo can run faster than a human man.
That is just crazy.
That's
How is that?
what?
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Bailey, who's the spiciest knight at the round table?
I don't know who.
Sir Racha.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Bailey.
And I'm Carter. I wonder where's Larry? Where's Fiona? Until next time. Fly high, Falcons. Bump, 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 bump. See you next time.